Yo, this is your boy Dominique. I'm gonna be here today with the random kid. He sounds like a Ratchet Mickey Mouse. Just listen to this.
Let me check real quick.
He was just talking like a freaking Ratchet Mickey Mouse. I don't know what just happened, but he stopped talking, of course. Yeah, that's him at the bottom. I don't know. Hey, Ratchet Mickey Mouse, where'd you go?
No, I didn't put a name. Oh, yeah, I did, yeah.
He sounds like a Ratchet Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, I'm so Ratchet. Yeah, I don't belong in the hood because I'm a Ratchet Mickey Mouse. I belong in the Ratchet Mickey Mouse, right? Like the lady.
Oh, Ratchet Hood Mickey Mouse.
Like, I did that. Oh, just put like, just put a random name. I put my name. Okay, that's all right.
Hashtag in the club be like, I'm a Ratchet Mickey Mouse.
Hashtag crazy. No, they asked me. They were like, you can't join. You have to, That's like hashtag crazy, boy.
Oh, yeah, Quantum, listen. How many trophies do you have in Clash of Clans? Top left.
Hashtag crazy.
Hey, Ratchet, Mickey Mouse, be quiet, man. I'm recording here. Hey, I'm recording here. Hey, Hey. You didn't have to call me an idiot. Oh, man.
I don't think you can change your name.
Quantum.
Okay.
If you don't tell me how many trophies you have, I will legit kick
I told
you.
you, you're wrong.
You don't have any? Oh, so you just started. Oh, my God.
Hey.
I got 926.
Wait, let me check how many trophies I got. I got 98 trophies.
I got 926. What a fail. All of you guys are behind.
Ooh.
I got like I have 2 wizard towers.
I got a gem box. Yes.
Dude, I have 187 gems. Want to go?
I just got a gem box. I have 7. I use a lot of my gems.
Yeah, stop lying, man.
I have no patience,
Oh, there's a gem box in the corner, and I can't get it. Yeah, I got the gem box and everything. Oh God, he's smoking crack all over again. Mickey Mouse, please don't do it. Mickey Mouse, please don't. Everybody loves yell. Oh, this is my son, guys. So this is my son right here. The hell? What do you got? Oh, type in the global chat? Okay, I will. Wait. What are you gonna type in global chat? Tell me what are you gonna type?
Wait, I'm just gonna put something, okay?
Just type
I'm just gonna put something random.
no you can't join mine. Who the hell said no you can't join mine?
Did somebody just say anything random in the chat?
No, I just seen somebody said no you can't join mine. That's it.
Oh, I didn't check it. What is it again?
Oh, there it is. Wait, what? Ryan, try moving your res. Or what?
Yes, merge with me or no deal.
Wait, do you have wait, what the hell?
Put it in the global chat.
What are you guys putting in? You know what? We should just make a clan. We should just make a clan together.
I put hi.
Save you from archers.
Wait, what? I put hi. Wait, is your name Snake or Rikara? No. Somebody just said hi, guys. What did you say hi?
I put sub. That's all I did.
Okay, I'm gonna put I think sub global.
Yeah.
Go on the global.
No, I put sub. I'm in like the D's clan, and my name is Silent Killer 24. Silent Assassin 24. No, Silent Killer 24. There we go.
You put what? I put yo.
Silent Killer 24.
Yeah, that is you. You are Snake. Wait, my name is Snake? Yeah. What? Wait. Do you have large elixirs? No. I'm not a fan.
Alright, well, YouTube, I hope you liked the video. Hope you had a few laughs during this, listening to Ratchet Mickey Mouse. Alright, well, peace out, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment if you want. Alright, later.